But sometimes it's hard to focus, miss.
That's okay, Rama. Let's try a new approach today. We play a game or request teamwork.
What's the game, miss? It's fun.
Of course, Rama. This game will make you help each other and think together while divide you into small group.
Small group? That sounds exciting.
Right, Cynthia? Good teamwork start with listening and helping. Each group will receive a challenge.
What the challenge means? Can you give us a hint?
Your task is to build a tower using wooden blocks, but you can only work this one partner.
So one person give idea, miss, and the other executes.
Exactly, Rama. You must try each other.
That sounds really. I love creative challenge.
What if the block fall, miss?
If they fall, it's okay, Rama. Don't give up. Try again. Remember, teamwork is always about success, but supporting each other.
Come on, Rama. Let's do this.
Okay, I'm ready. We'll build the tall tower.
Great kids. Remember, if you struggle, discuss with your partner. Don't hesitate to ask or sharing ideas.
I believe we can succeed if we are patient and work together.
I'm ready. If else falls, we'll rebuild.
Exactly, Rama. Teamwork is just about completing tasks, but learning from mistakes and practicing. Let's begin. Rama, if you have trouble, don't hesitate to ask. We can study together.
Thank you, miss. I'll try to do better.
You are doing pretty well, Rama, but sometimes we all need time to focus. What making you struggle today?
I feel like have a lot to think about, miss. Sometimes it's hard to organize my thoughts.
Ah, I see. But sometimes having too many things on your mind can be distracting. Maybe you can try breaking the problem down into smaller parts.
Breaking it down into smart parts. Can you explain more, miss?
Sure. For example, if you are studying math and feel confused, try to focus on one problem first. Don't worry about the others. When you are finished, then move on to the next problem.
Ah, so don't think about everything at once, huh? Huh?
That's right. Focus on one thing first, and I will help you feel lighter.
I will try that, miss. Thank you for giving me a why like that.
No problem, Rama. Remember, you are not alone. If you have any more difficulties, don't hesitate to ask for help.
Sometimes I feel embarrassed, miss, if I ask too often.
Don't feel embarrassed, Rama. Everyone has a different speed in learning. Asking is a very good way to make sure you really understand.
But my friend seems to have mastered everything, miss. Will I feel like behind?
Everyone has their own way and times, Rama. You have your own unique way of learning. What matters if you effort and preference?
So I don't matter if I'm a little bit slower, huh?
It doesn't matter at all. As long as you keep trying, you will continue to improve.
Alright, miss, thank you. I feel calmer after hearing that.
I'm glad to hear that, Rama. Remember, the most important thing is that you never give up.
Yes. I will try, Heather. Thank you very much, miss.
Keep your spirit, Rama. You can do it.
How about we make a poster about cooperation? I can help us learn while being creative.
That's a great idea, Nabila. Let's get started.
Yes, I really like that idea. We can make a picture of people helping each other.
That's right. We can draw full hands holding each other is symbolic cooperation.
Good, Nabila. I will look for motivational word to write on the poster. Maybe something about collective strength.
Okay, for me, I will help by making the background. How about using bright colors so that the poster look alive?
Totally agree, Rama. Bright color will make this poster more interesting and full of energy.
Okay, I have some word like together we are strong or one for all for one, which on is more suitable.
Words are good, but maybe together we are strong is older and easier to understand.
Agreed. Then we can add a picture of children from various backgrounds so that this poster feels inclusive.
Yup, let's make this poster represent everyone in the class, so everyone feel included.
That's right, Cynthia. Let's make this poster as interesting as possible so that it can be interesting for our friends.
Any ideas for the image in the middle? I want something that will immediately catch our attention.
How about a picture of friends holding each other is in the middle with a rainbow of breadcrumb? That will be interesting.
Very good, Nabila. The rainbow color also symbolizes diversity and utility.
Okay, I start drawing the background, Cynthia. You can start drawing the hands.
Okay, I'll start drawing the hands first. Cynthia, can you please cause a rainbow color for the background?
Sure, I will cause the brightest and most fun color.
Then let's start working together and making this poster an amazing one.
Come on, let's hope the working together is fun and produce something great.
Miss Deva, thank you for paying attention to Cynthia. She really enjoy listen and always come home with interesting stories.
I'm happy to hear that Miss Salwa. Cynthia is very talented and expressing student.
Yes, I also noticed that she really likes math lesson. It seems like she feels challenged.
That's right, Miss Salwa. Cynthia really quickly understand the concept I teach. Only sometimes she need to focus more when there is a group assignment.
That's probably because she has too many ideas, Miss. She likes to talk and share his thought.
That his advantage, Mom. However, I will try to be more direct to that listens more into his friend too.
Thank you, Miss. If there is anything else I need to pay attention to, please let me know.
Of course, Mom. I will always inform if there are any developments. But so far, Cynthia has been very active in participating in class.
I really appreciate your attention, Miss Deva. Every time she comes home, Cynthia always tells me enthusiastically about what she has learned.
Wow, that's amazing, Mom. Children who have enthusiasm like Cynthia very creative and funny in class.
I really feel lucky, Miss Deva, to be able to get a teacher who is so caring and professional.
Thank you, Miss Aula. That is our job. We want to ensure that every student feel appreciated and supported in their learning process.
One of the things I admire about Cynthia is how she can work hard but still enjoy the learning process.
Yes, Mom. It's important for us to make learning fun, not just demanding results.
That's right, Mom. That's what makes Cynthia love learning even more. She often asks about new things outside of the lesson material.
that show great curiosity. I will try to include some activities that can stimulate his curiosity even more.
I'm glad to hear that. Maybe there could be more projects or activities involving experiment or educational games.
Wow, that's a great idea, Miss Salwa. I will try to make learning more interactive and so that Cynthia and her friend can learning while playing.
Thank you very much, Ms. Deva. With your support, I'm sure Cynthia will continue to develop well.
You're welcome, Miss Salwa. We'll work together and ensure the children are successful. Don't hesitate to contact me if there is anything else you want to discuss.
Ayub, is there something bothering you at school?
I find it difficult to follow lesson. Sometimes I don't understand what is being told.
We will find a way to make it easier for you to understand the lesson. You are not alone in this.
But I feel embarrassed, miss, if I ask. And I'm afraid I'll be seen as a stupid, miss.
There's nothing wrong with asking Ayub. It just shows that you want to learn. Everyone needs help sometimes.
But my friend don't seem to have the problem, miss.
Everyone has a different way of learning, Ayub. Maybe your way of learning requires a slightly different approach.
But I've tried many ways. I feel like nothing works, miss.
Sometimes it takes you longer to find the right way. Have you ever tried learning it in a visual way, such as using picture or diagram?
I've never tried that, miss.
Maybe that will help. Try drawing a diagram or mind map to help organize the information.
That sounds interesting, but how do I know it's effective?
You can try it at home and see if it makes the lesson easier. If necessary, we can find another more suitable way.
Okay, I'll try, but sometimes I feel like I don't have enough time to study.
Time is a challenge, but try to set a realistic study schedule. Adjust it with other activity you do.
So I have to make a study schedule.
That's right. Start with a short time and slowly increase it if you feel comfortable. The important thing is make sure you give yourself time to rest.
I often feel exhausted because of many texts, miss.
That's normal, Ayub. Don't hesitate to talk to your teacher if you feel overwhelmed with assessment. They might be able to provide help or adjustment.
I tried talking to my teacher, miss. Thank you for listening to me.
I'm happy to help Ayub. Remember, you are not alone, and we can find solution together.
Thank you very much, miss. I will try to do better.
Okay, kids. Before we end today's lesson, remember that learning is not just about books. We have to support each other.
Okay.
Don't forget that every mistake is part of the learning process. So don't be afraid to try the things.
Thank you, Miss. I will try to do better.
That's good spirit, Nabila. Everyone here can definitely development with effort and hard work.
I agree, Miss. I will focus more on math lesson.
Me too, miss. Sometimes I find it difficult, but I will practice more.
Good, Cynthia and Ayub. Remember, Difficult, we are only temporary. What's important is how we face them.
Miss, sometimes I feel embarrassed asking question, but I know that asking is important.
There's no need to be embarrassed sama. Asking a question is one way for us to learn and understand better.
I'm sometimes confused about Indonesian language. Listen, Miss, can you give me some tips to make it easier to understand?
Sure, Nabila. Try to write more often and read every day. It will help you understand Indonesian better.
I'll try that, Miss. Thank you for giving the tips.
You are welcome, Nabila. Remember, we can always learn together.
Miss, can we study in group after school to prepare for the exam?
That's good idea, Ayub. Studying with friends can be everyone helpful.
I agree, Miss. We can share knowledge with each other.
That's right, Cynthia. Studying in a group can also make the atmosphere more fun.
I like studying with friends. I feel it's
That's what I hope for. I hope you can only support each other and more for one.
I will share more often with friend, Miss. Thank you for all the advice.
You are welcome, Nabila. Don't hesitate to help each other. We are a strong team.
Thank you, Miss, for the listen today. I feel more enthusiastic.
Spirit is important, Nabila. Always remember, with enthusiasm and effort, nothing is impossible. Okay, kids. Today lesson is over. I hope you all get a lot of benefits. See you in the next lesson, kids.
See you.
Today, I'm proud of the direction of all of you, teacher and the pillar of the education and the future of the nation. Let us continue to innovate for the progress of our students.
Thank you, sir. We will continue to try to provide the best for our students.
We have tried several new methods here. For example, project-based learning, which priority student creativity.
That's a very good step, Mr. Nathan. Are there any challenges faced in implementing it?
Our biggest challenge is the lack of time to prepare a more in-depth project, sir.
Time is indeed a challenge, but maybe you can find a solution by increasing cooperation between teacher and intelligent technology.
What if we use an education or learning platform to facilitate integration between teacher and student?
That's a very good idea, Mr. Nathan. Technology can be very helpful if asked wisely.
There are also obstacles in motivation students who are less enthusiastic about online learning.
Motivation is key. Maybe we can hold activity involving parents to support learning at home.
We can also introduce word or point system for active and outstanding student.
That could be an active way. So, hours I can really encourage students at home.
What about training for us, sir? So that we can be better prepared to implement technology in learning.
We will organize regular training, Mom. We have to keep learning and keep up with the times.
I agree here. Training can also improve the quality of our teaching.
Education is not only about teaching, but also about inspiring teachers to be a good example for students.